So the visuals on your screen, look at that. A truck that fell in a caved-in road. This is Gurugram in Haryana. Now, Gurugram, remember, is seen one of the biggest cosmopolitan cities. Barely days later, since I've been talking about what's unfolding in Maharashtra, for example, a political showdown while real issues are being ignored. But what about the Rajdhani Delhi, the capital city of the country, and its adjacent cities as well? Look at that. Again, Gurugram, and this is Mayur Vihar now. Imagine driving through these lanes, most likely returning home because the rainfall started at about 6:37 p.m. and to be stuck in a water like this. And if you have family members, your colleagues with you, how do you even manage to get out? There are risks of electrocution. This is Bharat Mandapam. This is the pride area, so to say, of the national capital, Delhi. While the road appears to be clear, and you can see some machines have been placed as well that removes additional extra water from the streets. Work is being done as well. One can see that. But it's also reflective of a system that should have been in place already. You should not have waterlogging barely with few hours of rainfall in monsoon season. As we look at more and more developments that are coming in, remember, there are memes that are circulating on social media as well. This is again Dhola Kuan, one of the big intersections of national capital. Delhi connects different parts, not just of Delhi, but other adjoining cities as well. Look at the waterlogging here. It's risking the life of people as much. But the focus clearly yesterday evening was Gurugram, not the first time for the city in Haryana, but the kind of visuals that have been coming in from different areas, regular complaints by the residents as well. Some of these areas, remember, have the most expensive real estate. And yet, the roads outside, look at that. A couple has to walk through a knee-deep water. You just don't know if there's an open pothole around you. What are the politicians, the bureaucrats are doing about it? We are paying heavy taxes. We are ensuring to be good citizens. And yet this is what we are getting in return. Something to think about.